It's the 9th of August 2021. We have Schaumanin puistotie 11th SA here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. And the two staircases here is MB are connected here, so we're gonna get both at the same time. As we come to the code to get inside here. The one close here, and this was built in 1999 actually. Turned 20 years old in 2019 with the LED screen. So this could be late 1999.
Yeah.
Serial number is H69824, probably late 1999. It will be inspected in 2023. Interesting find.
Yeah.
Also, these were not so common in 1999 yet.
Yeah.
Or at least not in early 1999.
Yeah.
But 98 in Turku I found 3 of them, but that was very rare.
Yeah.
That was probably from December 1998.
Yeah.
Maybe this was finished in 2000, but we have to find information.
Yeah.
The second floor is used as the main floor because there's a garden there.
Oh yeah.
I think that's why it's
Yeah.
the main one.
Inspected by Jyväskylä, maintained by Kone.
Yeah, used to be maintained by Suomi Orientation Painting.
Yeah.
Because we saw it on the block outside.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase way here. Even though they're connected, but we'll still take separate ones.
Yeah. That's